Every missed call at your clinic is a missed patient. Someone calls to book an appointment, but your receptionist is busy or it's after working hours. Then call missed and patient is gone. And this happens more often than you think. But what if every patient's inquiry was answered instantly, appointments were booked automatically, and no call was ever missed again? So that's exactly what I built using Pabbly Chartflow. This is an AI receptionist for a dental clinic. Complete example. It handles everything your front desk usually does. Answer patients' inquiries, book appointment, explain treatments, shares pricing details, and follow-ups automatically, 24/7 without human involvement. But instead of explaining, let me show you how this works in real time. By sending a simple hi message to my WhatsApp AI assistant, as soon as I sent it, the AI receptionist instantly responds as, "Hi there, how can I assist you today?" And now I can send what I want. Let's say I want to book an appointment. Immediately, the AI assistant starts guiding me. "That's sure, I'll help you schedule your dental appointment quickly. First, can you tell me what dental issue you are facing?" Here in this tutorial, we are going to design a dummy AI assistant for dental clinic receptionist. Here, I give the reply of this message as, "I have been having tooth pain since a few days, especially while eating. I think I need to get it checked." Then it gives me a smart reply by mentioning the exact problem that I am facing, that I got it. Tooth pain can be uncomfortable. To proceed, can you let me your preferred date for the appointment? So I am sending a date as 12 June. Next it says, "Thank you, just to confirm, what time would you prefer on June 12th? And I send the timing to. That is asking me for my full name and my contact number. So I sent my full name as a smart user and one test contact number too. And you will see I have received the appointment confirmation message from the assistant. That includes my name as a smart user, exactly same that I have shared, appointment date and the timing too. And one message that is appointment confirmed. Our dentist will be ready to assist you then. If you have any more questions or need assistance, feel free to ask." After that, I am sending a message as, "Thank you." Then it responds like this. So this is the exact automated WhatsApp AI assistant we are going to build today without writing a single line of code, using all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool named as Pabbly Chartflow. But before we move ahead, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to design this type of automated WhatsApp AI assistant that handles all of your receptionist work for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. You have worked hard to build your business. Now let Pabbly handle repetitive works for you so you can focus on the real growth instead of manual tasks. Now without wasting any time, let's start the creation of this AI assistant step by step. At first, open a new tab and go for pabbly.com/chartflow. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chartflow by clicking on this access now button, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chartflow. Now the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chartflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chartflow account. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chartflow as we are creating an AI assistant. So I am going in this AI assistant feature. See, this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp AI assistant for your different type of businesses. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes, you will understand what is knowledge base and how you can create an AI assistant. As we are creating a new AI assistant, so I will click on this plus add AI assistant button. Next, it will ask me to give a descriptive name to the AI assistant that I am entering as replace manual calls with an AI receptionist live demo. Here I have given this name by my choice. You can give it completely based on your own business. Next, I will click on this button and see our AI assistant is created successfully. And this right here is the starting point of creating your AI assistant, where at first you have to select the instructions type. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of instructions. I am selecting it as an AI agent. As soon as I have selected the instructions type here, it will automatically generate the instructions in this box. See, instructions defines how the AI should behave and how the AI Assistant will give responses to your user. In simple terms, these are the rules that the assistant needs to follow. Moving forward, the next one is the temperature. The temperature controls the creativity level of the assistant, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while higher temperature gives creative and flexible responses. I am setting up the temperature as 0.5. Next, the model provider I am selecting as OpenAI. After that, the model I am selecting as GPT-4o Mini. Next, it will ask you to enter the API key. So for getting this API key, I am going to take you to my OpenAI platform. See, this is my OpenAI platform. Now for generating this API key, you have to click on this plus create new secret key button. Next, the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. The project I am setting as default project, and the permission I am setting as all. Next, I will click on this create secret key button, and you will see I got my API key. Here I want you to know that for generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. At first, I am copying this API key from here and pasting it in this field. After pasting the API key, you just have to click on this connect button, and see it says that OpenAI key is saved successfully. Moving forward are the assistant settings with multiple options, where the first one is the header message. The header message is the message that sends to the user at the starting of the conversation. It is usually used for sending welcome messages or short introductions. So if you want to add any header message, then you can enable this toggle and enter in this box. After that, the footer message. The footer message is the message that sends to the user at the end of the conversation. It is used for sending thank you messages or contact information. After that, the stop keywords. The stop keywords are those words that stop the AI assistant. For example, you have entered some stop keyword in this field, and the user will send exact that keyword while communicating with the AI assistant. Then AI assistant will become stop, and at that point, human inputs is required to restart the conversation. So this is how stop keywords work. After that, the retry attempts. Retry attempts is defined as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your users if something goes wrong. You can increase it till 10. And the last one is the fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the user if the assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or an connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to your user for the better conversation. I have entered the fallback messages this, but you can customize it completely based on your own business or company. Now I am moving forward to the knowledge source, where you have to upload the knowledge base file. See, this is the most important and the crucial part of doing the setup of AI assistant, where you have to upload the knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. As I told you earlier, in this tutorial we are going to design an AI assistant for the dental clinic receptionist. So for that, I have already designed one knowledge base file before. See, this is how the knowledge base file look like. Here I added all the information about my business, main working of the receptionist, and some general FAQs too. So this is how the knowledge base file look like. See, it plays an important role, so design it accordingly. Make sure that includes all the information about your business. I have designed this by my choice. You can customize it completely based on your own business. After designing the knowledge base file, you have to click on this files option and download this file in a PDF format. Until the file gets downloaded, I want you to know that the file size should be less than 90 MB, and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. Now for uploading a knowledge base file, you have to click on this option. Next, click on this add new file and just drag and drop this file here. After that, you just have to click on this upload files button. Next, select the file from here and click on this insert button. So this is how easily you can upload the knowledge base file inside Pabbly Chartflow. Moving forward is the assistant interface. Here you can give design to your assistant by making changes in each of these fields. At first, I am entering the heading as AI receptionist, and you can see as soon as I have entered the heading here, it will automatically change here too. Next, the subheading I have entered as we are online and happy to assist you. It is visible here too. The initial message I have entered as hi there, how can I help you today? Here I added only one initial message, but you can add two. Next, the label that is powered by Pabbly. You can disable it from here if you want to. After that, the footer text I have entered as privacy policy, also added footer link, and the user first message I have entered as I need help. Here I added this. You can change it if you want to move. And now the next one is the styling. Here you can give style to your assistant by making changes in its themes, colors, and shape. As it is looking good, so I'm not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. After that, I'm enabling this toggle so that my assistant will becomes active and clicking on the save AI assistant button. So this is how easily you can create an AI assistant by using Pabbly chat flow. And the next button is embed button. With the help of this button, you can access this AI assistant inside your websites. When you click on this button, the system will gives you the code of this AI assistant. You have to copy the code and paste that code inside your websites, and this AI assistant is going to be appear in your websites too. So not only here, you can use this AI assistant anywhere. This is the magic of Pabbly chat flow. After doing this, I am going to set this AI assistant for all of my contacts. So for that, you have to go in the settings option and go in this inbox settings. See, this is the inbox settings of Pabbly chat flow. Here you have to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of AI auto reply settings. You have to make sure that to enable this toggle and select the contact list from here on bottom. You have to set your AI assistant. After that, select the AI assistant from here. Next, you just have to click on the save button. See, it says that inbox settings saved successfully. Now for adding your contacts inside your Pabbly chat flow account, you have to go in this contacts feature. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your contacts inside your Pabbly chat flow account. If you want it, then comment Pabbly chat flow contacts in the description below. I will share the video link with all of you guys. Now the setup and the creation of our AI assistant is fully completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. Not only this, you can create a multiple types of WhatsApp AI assistant based on your own business by using Pabbly chat flow. This AI assistant will give instant replies to your users in real time like this. Done all of your receptionist work without you touching your phone. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEATYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly chat flow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly chat flow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.